Acpan. Gwaith da gan Acpan, cadw meddiant da bwysa. Chwilio am Bae Colwyn. Downs. Croesia tuag at y canol. Ac mae fewn gan Steff Edwards ar y postyn pella. Daeth y croesiad i mewn gan Alex Downs ac Steff Edwards yn rhoi ti gan y rhwyd a rhoid y tîm cartra ar y blaen. Vincent. Sgipau allan at Lewis Rhys. Rhys heibio i Sam Hart. Os na gic o'r spotter yma oes yn wir. Lewis Rhys heibio i Sam Hart. Hart deifio i mewn. Craven yn erbyn Brooks. Craven. Sgoriau i ail am y tymor. At ar gic. Tas Acpan, beldod holl ffordd drwad. Am arbediad gan Alex Lang. Yr ergyd gan Downs. Ond Alex Lang ar draws y gol yn sydyn. Gwaith da gan y golwr. Mewn i'r canol mae'n mynd tuag at Brandon Diaw. Ac mae Brandon Diaw wedi rhoi Bae Colwyn ar y blaen am yr ail dro pnawn yma. Y Bae Colwyn gan Jamie Cumming ar ben Brandon Diaw. Ac dydy Brandon Diaw ddim yn mynd i methu'r cyfle yna. Diaw. Wel, mae Brandon Diaw wedi rhoi ti yn rhwyd i un am gamgymeriad erchyll gan yr amddiffynwr. Mae wedi rhoi y bel heibio i Alfie Brooks. Nath o'n troi rownd i weld lle oedd Brooks.
I think it's probably 2 dropped, but we're happy with the points. You know, we're fighting. You know, and it was a real battling performance. Credit to Cardiff, mate. You know, I think they're one of the fittest teams in the league. You know, and you know the pitch as well made it a battle. And I thought we started the game really well. You know, and deservedly went in front. And then, you know, Sam's got to stay on his feet. You know, a mistake, they score. And then similar story second half. We get ourselves in front, and then, you know, to be fair, I can't be too harsh on him, you know, because it's a howler. But I thought he was excellent. I thought they were excellent today. You know, he headed everything, he blocked everything. You know, I've scored a number of them in my time, so, you know, he'll learn from it. You know, we're disappointed because they haven't worked for their 2 goals, really. But we move on, and, you know, we move on to Tuesday night now.
Amgylchiadau anodd iawn mas ar y cae heddi ac amgylchiadau anodd i ni fel clwb cyn dechrau'r diwrnod. Rhywbeth sy'n personol i ni, ond o'n i'n credu bod y boys yn wych y ffordd yn wedi mynd ati gyda cymeriad cryf iawn.